Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Dodge Charger air pump step by step. Begin by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake, then remove the valve cap and inspect the valve for debris. Read your tire pressure rating on the driver's door jamb and set the pump to that PSI. Keep the engine running if the pump needs vehicle battery power and work one tire at a time. Power up the pump and choose PSI matching the door jamb recommendation, then attach the hose firmly to the valve stem until you hear a steady airflow stop. Hold the connector in place or lock the clip while watching the pressure gauge or digital readout. Inflate in short bursts and recheck pressure to avoid overinflating. If your charger has an automatic shutoff, trust it but still verify with a manual gauge for accuracy. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more concise car care tips. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with smart vehicle ownership habits. I put the link and other deals in the description for easy access, so check those out, and now let's get back to the video. Always confirm PSI with a separate tire gauge after using the pump to ensure accuracy, and reattach the valve cap to prevent dirt entry. If you notice air leaking at the connection, reposition the nozzle or check the pump gasket and replace it if cracked. For best results, inflate tires when they are cold or before long drives to avoid misleading high readings from heat expansion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.